Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 4 minutes. You can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide, go to Insert tab and Images, and insert an image. Change its aspect ratio to 16:9. Adjust your image, crop it, and fill the entire slide with it. Now insert a table of 7x 5 inch. Now what we're going to do is just move it upwards and fill the entire slide with the table. Remove its borders, give it no fill, and select each individual rectangle and then give it a fill on which we are going to write our text. And let's just choose some random rectangles from here, far away. Similarly, what we're going to do is just choose some rectangles. Next, what we're going to do is insert a text box for the title of this slide. We'll put it onto this rectangle. Next, we're gonna bold it, change its font, and then insert our content text. Change its fill to white as well. There you go. Now give it some line spacing. Next, duplicate this slide and select move this table right there and change the background image. Now move your table back onto your slide, and then you're gonna select your text, and what you're gonna do is just give no fill to each of the white box. Move the text just on the side. Now unfill all of your rectangles and then give some of them more like the color. Repeat the process. Let's just change the fill of the other rectangles. Now put your text on it. Duplicate your slide and repeat the process. First, change your background image. Next, we're gonna unfill all of our rectangles in the table. Move the text alongside. The next thing we're gonna do is just unfill this rectangle as well. But if you want to fill it, you can also fill it. Now give the fill to those rectangles that have not been filled in the previous slide. Now put your text on right here. Here you go. Select all of your slides, go to Transitions tab, and from here, what you're gonna do is search for Checkerboard transition. So let me just search for it. This is the transition. Now we can change the direction from up or from the right. We can change the timing as well. You can download the free template from the link in the description below.